haven't really had this type of power in almost 2 years, so let's get familiar with the car once again. Now, of course, first things first, that is way too low in fuel for my comfort. As you guys know, I always keep all my cars full, so gotta go fill it up. The car is on 1R ethanol at the moment, so if I show you guys here, I'm at 90% ethanol. The pump E85 that I'm fixing to get is significantly lower than this, but man, if running this car on 1R ethanol all the time is gonna get way too expensive. I honestly can't afford something like that at the moment, but I do plan to get like one of those 55-gallon barrels just to have if I'm ever gonna take the car out and do like some high boost testing. But yeah, it's gonna suck to see that 90% ethanol go away. Oh man, it's been a while. Oh my god, I love that sound. Woo. That never gets old, man. That never gets old. Holy shit. Damn, I was not even half throttle and it spun the tires. It's definitely gonna take some getting used to, that's for sure. I'm like halfway into the throttle and it's going sideways. All right, baby steps, baby steps. I need some gloves. Oh shit, man. All right, I gotta warm up to it. I gotta warm up to it. Oh God, it sounds so good. You know, it had been such a long time since I'd driven this car that I forgot how much of a thirsty beast she is. Holy crap. This car weighs so much fuel. This is definitely the definition of miles per gallon. You definitely don't want one of these cars if you're worried about the miles per gallon. Ouch. That's that splitter that I made that just hit the ground. So just a quick note, the 6-speed, the T56, it's nice. It really is, it's fun. But for me, this is where it's at right here. It won't get better than this. This right here, this is it. Kroger, you better treat me good, man. Give me something at least around 80. Pretty please, I'll pay more if I have to. Oh crap, I don't know how that. Huh. All right, I know I'm not going to be happy with what I'm going to see. I mean, compared to the 90% that I was running. But it is what it is. if it stays around 80 to 85, I'll be happy with that. Okay, that lady over there in the purple staring at me, she probably doesn't like the way the car sounds. 84. All right, whatever, let's go. That doesn't mean that this E85 that I just pumped here is 83, 84%. It's actually much lower than that. It's probably around 70 something. The reason it's still high in the 80s is because I had 1R ethanol, which is 90% ethanol, so it mixed up and still gave me a decent amount. Easy, girl, easy. All right, I gotta check the tire pressure, man. This really spinning the tires like with ease. I'm not even going full throttle. Oh yeah. Oh man, that had been a while. Oh god, it picks up so smooth. I'm gonna give it a shot. I don't know, man. There's still a lot of cars in front. I'm gonna try a little pull. This first gear. Floor it all the way. I was still kind of paranoid with those cars, and maybe they would have jumped onto my lane. I'm gonna try a second gear. Holy fuck, holy shit. Damn, my mouth got dry. Oh my god. I inspired someone. I don't. Alright, if any of you guys ever watch my videos, don't ever take off. Slow down. Maybe we get a quick run. Wait, what is this? I got somebody over here next to me. Pull up, bro. Pull up. Oh my god, I love this thing. Oh god. Yo, my mouth's dry. Oh. Oh, so happy I got this car back. I'm so happy you're back, girl. Oh man. This thing is nasty. Oh, that's a homie right there. Bro, if you watch this video, send it to me, please. All right, come on, it's a Supra. Let me in, be nice. Wheelers are always nice. Just an FYI, y'all need to respect your 18-wheeler drivers, man. Give them the space they need. Don't cut them off, man. They got 80,000 pounds and they can crush you. Trust me, they don't want to do it. So just a quick note, respect your 18-wheeler drivers. God damn, this thing takes off like nothing. Oh my god. Oh god, I'm so fucking happy, man. So I was going through the screens here, and on that last pull it registered 866 horsepower, 644 torque, so 866 horsepower on that one, almost 900. This car so much. Whew. Feel pretty comfortable with the car now. I mean, sort of. So I mean, that gave me a little bit of a better feeling, you know, just trying to remember how the power band is, how the car pulls. And man, that thing was nasty. You guys want to know what's crazy about this though? Gotta open the hood and let all the heat out. All that was on low boost. That's low boost. So I'm sure you guys can just imagine what we're fixing to see once we turn this baby up, because we're gonna turn it up. It's got about another it's got about another 3 to 350 horsepower more than what you guys just saw there. So there's a lot left. Again, like I said, that was low boost. See, I'm sorry, I can't even talk. My mouth's all dry. That is an adrenaline rush. Don't get me wrong, the Mustang's quick. The Mustang's like instant. This one, like, the faster you're going, the harder and faster it pulls. That's what's insane about this car. Yeah, this is gonna get really good. But on the next video, you guys, I am going to go ahead and straight pipe the car. An actual straight pipe. So we're gonna be doing a 5-inch pipe out the back. I'm gonna remove the muffler. I might make it to where it's just kind of, you know, removable, like with a V-band or like a clamp of some sort. But I am gonna straight pipe the car. And I also got some plans for this car. I don't know, what can I say? I guess I got bored and I ordered a bunch of stuff. There's some of it right there, and some stuff here, and more piping. Anyways, I'm gonna change the turbo setup on this car just to make it shorter. So that's gonna be one of the upcoming videos, but definitely got a lot coming with this car. You know, straight piping the car, obviously doing some more higher boost pulls, progressing, just so I can get familiar with the car, because I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but even on the highway it was still spinning around 70-80 miles an hour. And it will only get worse on the higher boost settings. So I got to check tire pressure, just make sure suspension, everything is, you know, laid out properly, because I definitely don't want to risk doing anything stupid. I need this car to hook and go. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that. I feel like I'm becoming my normal self. As funny as it sounds, and it might sound dumb to some people, but this car, God, I really needed it back. I really needed it. And honestly, just knowing that it's in the garage, I feel so much better. But you guys like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Later.